think about the times you let me go. Falling through the cracks, emotional.
Hi everyone, it's Cryobits here. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your File Explorer translucent in Windows 10 or 11. It's a super cool trick, and the best part is that it's easy to do. Just follow my steps, and you'll have a sleek, translucent File Explorer in no time. First, you need to download System Transparency. Just search for it online and head to the Internet Archive website. It's a trusted site, and I use it myself. Once you're there, scroll down a bit until you see the download box. Click on the zip file, and it will download the systemtransparency.exe file to your PC. To make your File Explorer translucent, follow these steps with me. Feel free to pause the video when needed. Step 2. Extract System Transparency. Now that we've downloaded the System Transparency zip file, it's time to extract it. To make things easy, I recommend using a tool like WinRAR or 7-Zip. If you have 7-Zip installed, just right-click on the zip file, select More Options, and under the 7-Zip menu, click Extract. Don't have 7-Zip? No problem. Simply right-click the zip file, choose Extract All from the Windows menu, and you're good to go. And there you have it. The files are all extracted and ready for the next step. Alright, now let's make System Transparency start automatically whenever you turn on your PC. First, go to the folder where you extracted System Transparency and find the file. Right-click on it and select Copy. Next, head to the search bar on your taskbar and type Start Menu. Click on the folder that appears. Inside the Start Menu folder, go to Programs, then look for the Startup folder. Open it and paste the System Transparency file there. And that's it. You've added it to the Startup folder. Now, it'll automatically run every time your computer starts up. On to the next step. Now we're at the final step. Let's make your File Explorer translucent. First, double-click on the System Transparency folder to run the application. Once it's running, look at the taskbar and tap the Hidden Icons arrow. Right-click on the System Transparency icon and select Setup and Info from the menu. This will open a dialog box. While this dialog box is open, go to your Documents folder. You'll see a new file created by System Transparency. This is a BAT file containing the app's settings. Double-click it to open. Now adjust the settings in the file. Set Trans to 225 and Explorer to 1. Make sure to save it then. After that, return to the System Transparency window and set the transparency value to 225 as well. Then check on Apply to all Explorer windows. Finally, click OK, restart your File Explorer, and ta-da! Your File Explorer now has a sleek, translucent look. How cool is that? Now let's take it up a notch and make your setup even cooler. First, go to your desktop, right-click anywhere, and select Hide Desktop Icons. This will give your desktop a clean and minimal look. Next, find a stunning wallpaper that you love, something sleek and modern. Download it and set it as your desktop background. Now open your File Explorer and admire the difference. With the translucent File Explorer and your new wallpaper, your setup looks absolutely amazing. If you love this, please smash that like button and subscribe. Enjoy your fresh and stylish desktop setup.